Good evening, everybody. So I thought I would take a 5-second break from organizing and cleaning and just having a rather interesting Saturday. So I've been putting together these like mystery boxes that can be used for junk journaling or mixed media art, that kind of thing. Which, if you have ever purchased anything like this or have put anything together such as this, you know this takes time and thought, right? But it also takes a lot of extra room that you may not have in your crafting area. So, as I was walking through my local Dollar Tree, I thought, how can I organize my assembly line so I don't have things just stacking on top of each other, right? So I will show you how I started organizing my mystery kit items, the products that are going in these mystery kits. I'll show you what I'm doing. So here you go. All right. Well, right now I have a tray and it is just full of items that I have divided up that will be going into these, what I'm going to call mystery boxes or mystery surprise kits. And I have several different types that I'm going to be listing on my Etsy shop. And I can't just have these sitting in, a tray. I don't like to see things laying out, I guess. I like to have organization, and I thought, all right, what can I get at the Dollar Tree that's going to help me do this thing, right? I want to do it right. So I came across these bins. This particular one, I bought 4 of them, and they are collapsible storage containers, and they're 10.5 by 11 by 10.5. There you have it, right? So $1 each. I like the color. They had different colors, but this was my favorite color. And what I'm going to do is take the items as I place the products into the mystery box or kit. I'm going to then put them inside of these cubes, and I can put a label here if I really want to, but I know what they're going to be. I mean, some of the kits are going to have stiffened, what is this called again? Totally blank. Anyways, whatever. It's going to have antique postcards, the real thing. These are not copies. These are actual real antique postcards. And I have several pieces of coffee stained paper. I guess most of them are double-sided, so that's pretty cool. This has a little blue tint. So, and I have to still peel these apart. We're gonna have real antique keys, fabric rosebuds, tags, more little rosebuds, little Swarovski crystals and other whatever they're called. I wrote it down. But for now, burlap. That's what it is. Stiffened burlap. So we're going to have all kinds of goodies. But at least now, as I assemble each of the kits, I can put them inside this cube. And it's going to be awesome. And one of the things I have, and I'm not going to show you the whole thing. I have one of these 4-tier, like a shelf you put. I guess you can use it in your garage if you want to, but anyways, I need to get a second one. So I'm going to stack my bins on the top shelf, and I should be able to fit at least 2 across and still be able to put a clear shoebox. This is a completely different kit. But anyways, across. So I did end up getting 4, and then it'll look something like this when I'm done. But anyways, just organizing is going to make a huge difference in all of this. So I guess what I'll do now is finish assembling the mystery boxes, and I'm going to label those. Again, they'll be on the Etsy shop. And if you just search Sewing with Steam, STEAM, or look in the bio, you'll be able to see these kits as I list them. Once these kits are sold, there won't be any more from me, because most of the stuff, like I said, the vintage real postcards and a mixture of, there's different types of keys and stuff like that. Once those are gone, they're gone. I don't have any more, and I won't be getting any more because my LLC has changed, and I just need to get rid of all of these awesome products so I can get the LLC refocused. I even have some really nice looking fabric flowers. But anyways, I hope that I gave you some ideas for organizing if you have a small space, and I wish you all a great evening. Bye.